Here's how to fix Steam downloads getting stuck at 0% on your PC. Step 1. Clear Steam download cache. Start by opening Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. In the Settings window, open the Downloads section. Click Clear Download Cache. Steam will warn you that you'll be signed out. Confirm the action. Steam will restart automatically. Log back into your account once prompted. Clearing the download cache removes corrupted data that can prevent downloads from starting. Step 2. Reset Steam network settings. After logging back in, return to Steam settings, then Downloads. Change the download region to the nearest location or a different nearby region. Close Steam completely, then reopen Steam. Resetting Steam's network settings forces Steam to reconnect to download servers, which often fixes downloads stuck at 0%. Step 3. Run Steam as administrator. If downloads are still not starting, close Steam completely. Right-click the Steam icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Select Run as Administrator and confirm the prompt. Steam will now launch with full system permissions. Running Steam as administrator ensures Steam can properly write files and start downloads without being blocked by Windows. After completing these steps, Steam downloads should move past 0% and start normally. Subscribe for more professional Steam fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.